Finger family.
Welcome to the Finger family. I'm the Mummy Finger. Banana bread is a simple and tasty snack for everyone in the family. Please check the description below for the ingredients and recipe. Take 2 overripe bananas, mash them well, add 1 egg, half cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, quarter teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or vanilla sugar, quarter cup oil or butter. Mix all the ingredients well. One cup flour. Mix all the ingredients well. Take a loaf pan, grease it well with butter and put a butter paper below. Pour the ingredients in the loaf pan. Bake it in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. Baking time may vary according to the oven. Check if the bread is baked well by inserting a toothpick or a knife. Let it cool before cutting. Yummy banana bread is ready.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.